Imagine a home where every detail reflects its owner's personality. From a dramatic black brick wall paired with a delicate white bed, to a chandelier that inspired an entire living room design. This project turns bold choices and thoughtful functionality into a uniquely cozy, stylish space. In any home, the most important element of design is creating a space where the resident feels truly comfortable. This apartment is a perfect example. Its interior was built around the personal tastes, lifestyle, and favorite pieces of the owner, a textile designer with a refined eye. Architectural details like exposed beams in the dining area introduced a touch of American style, balancing the scale and giving the room a sense of depth and presence. The wallpaper became a focal point in the open-plan living room and kitchen, where its grand pattern brought character and cohesion. Right from the start, several defining elements set the tone for the home. A striking chandelier in the living room served as a visual anchor, inspiring the overall style. The color palette grew naturally from beloved wallpaper with a bold, traditional print and textured porcelain stoneware, which set a warm, timeless foundation for the design. The daughter's room stands out with its bold and artistic contrasts. A wall of black brick introduces a dramatic edge, softened by the elegant forms of a white bed and a carved wardrobe. The result is both expressive and harmonious. In the bedroom, serenity takes center stage. Soft floral wallpaper and a palette of creams and grays create a calming backdrop. Space visually interesting. Blue bedside tables add a quiet pop of color, avoiding monotony without disrupting the overall calm.